Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Channel. I'm Anna. I'm very happy you are here today. Today, we talk about something very important, something simple, something you use every day. We talk about how to introduce yourself in English.
Oh, hi everyone. I'm Alex. Yes, this topic is very useful, very real. We do it all the time, at school, at work, with new people.
Yes. Many learners feel nervous here. They think, oh no, my English is bad. But it's okay. We are here with you, like friends.
Exactly. And we keep it slow, very slow. Easy words, short sentences.
Let's start very small, very simple. Imagine you meet a new person, maybe on the street, maybe online, maybe in class. What do you say first?
Well, I think we say hello.
Yes. Very good. Hello or hi. That's it. Simple.
You know, sometimes people think English is big and scary, but hi is easy.
True. So, first step, we say hello. Hello, hi, or maybe hey.
I like hi. It's friendly.
Me too. Okay, after hi, what's next? We tell our name.
Oh, yes, the name. Very important.
You can say, I'm Anna. That's all. I'm Anna.
And I say, I'm Alex.
Perfect. Very easy sentence. I'm plus name.
Can I say, my name is Alex?
Yes, you can. That's also good. My name is Alex.
But I'm Alex is shorter.
Exactly. Short is good for beginners.
You know, when I learn a new language, short sentences help me feel calm.
Same here. Okay, so now we have, hi, I'm Anna.
What next? Do we stop?
We can stop. That is okay. But we can also add one more small thing,
Oh, like what?
like asking a question. For example, what's your name?
Ah, yes, that's friendly.
So, together, it sounds like this. Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name?
That sounds very nice, not scary.
Exactly. Let's say it again, slowly. Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Very good. See? Easy.
But Anna, some learners feel shy. They think my accent is bad.
Yes, I know. But listen, your accent is okay. Your English is okay. Speaking is brave.
Oh, that's true. Speaking is brave.
And we don't need perfect English. We need real English.
You know, when someone talks to me, I don't think about mistakes. I think, oh, this person is friendly.
Exactly. People listen to your smile, not only your words.
I like that.
Now, after names, sometimes people add one more line, something small.
Like where you are from?
Yes, but slow, one step at a time. You can say, I'm from Pakistan, or I'm from Spain, or I'm from Brazil.
Oh, I'm from. Very useful.
Very useful. Let's make a small example.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from the UK. What's your name?
Hi, Anna. I'm Alex. I'm from the US.
Perfect. Very natural.
That feels like real life.
Yes, because it is real life. And you can use this today.
You know, I feel more relaxed now.
Me too. And we are just starting. There is more we can add. Very slowly, very gently.
I'm curious. What can we add next?
Well, after name and country, sometimes we talk about what we do, like work or study. But we must be careful and slow. So let's continue from there. We were talking about names and where we are from. That already feels good, right? Calm, simple.
Yes. It feels friendly, like a real talk.
Exactly. Now, sometimes after that, people ask one more small thing. Not big, not hard.
Oh, what kind of thing?
They ask about work or study, but very simple.
That sounds scary for some learners.
I know, but listen, we keep it easy. For example, you can say, I'm a student.
Oh, that's short.
Yes, or I'm a teacher. I'm a driver. I'm a shop worker.
You know, I'm a student is very common.
Very common and very useful.
What if someone doesn't work or study?
Good question. You can say, I'm learning English.
Oh, I like that.
Me too. It's honest and it's simple.
And it sounds positive.
Yes. Now let's make a small talk together, slowly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from the UK. I'm a teacher.
Hi, Anna. I'm Alex. I'm from the US. I'm learning English.
Nice to meet you too.
That sounds great. When people hear I'm learning English, they are kind.
Exactly. Many people smile. They help you.
You know, that makes learners feel safe.
Yes, safety is important. Now, sometimes people also say, nice to meet you.
Oh, yes, I hear that a lot.
Nice to meet you. Very friendly sentence.
And the other person says,
Nice to meet you too.
easy.
Easy and polite. Let's say it slowly.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That feels natural.
Yes. Now, let's put everything together.
All of it?
Not all, just a little.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from the UK. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Alex. I'm from the US. I'm learning English.
Nice to meet you too. That sounds great.
When people hear I'm learning English, they are kind.
Exactly. Many people smile. They help you.
You know, that makes learners feel safe.
Yes, safety is important. Now, sometimes people also say, how are you?
Ah, that question. Very common.
Very common. And the answer can be very simple.
Like, I'm good.
Yes, or I'm fine, or I'm okay.
And then?
Then you can ask back, how are you?
Polite and friendly.
Exactly. Okay. Let's continue. Now, we talked about saying hello, your name, where you are from, and your work or study. That's already very good. But we can add one more small thing.
Oh, one more thing? What is it?
Yes, sometimes people talk about their hobbies or what they like to do. Very short, very simple.
Like, I like music.
Exactly. Or I like reading. I like cooking. I like football. Anything you enjoy.
You know, that's fun. It makes the conversation friendly.
Yes. And also, it helps the other person know you better.
Can we make a small example?
Sure. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from the UK. I'm a teacher. I like reading. What's your name?
Hi, Anna. I'm Alex. I'm from the US. I'm learning English. I like football. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Very natural.
I noticed something. We keep it short, but it still sounds like a real talk.
Exactly. Short sentences, slow, calm, friendly. That's the key.
You know, when I first started learning English, I wanted to say everything at once, but short sentences are better.
Yes. Beginners often feel nervous. They want to impress, but small steps are stronger.
True. And slow speaking helps me feel confident.
Yes, confidence is important, and it's okay to repeat. Don't worry about repeating words or sentences.
Oh, that's good to hear. Sometimes I feel shy to repeat.
Yes, repetition helps memory, helps fluency, and also makes the conversation smoother.
So today we learned hello, name, country, work/study, hobbies, and polite phrases like nice to meet you and how are you.
Exactly. And small question words like and you make the talk continue. Very small, very easy.
I feel like I can introduce myself now.
That's wonderful. Remember, no pressure. Speak slowly. Smile. Be friendly. That's all.
And if someone asks, what do you do? We just answer with a short sentence like, I'm a student or I'm learning English.
Perfect. And later, you can add your hobbies, one by one, step by step.
You know, small steps make big progress.
Exactly. And don't forget to enjoy it. Learning English is fun.
Yes, I feel happy talking slowly and clearly.
Good. So next, we can practice a full introduction with feeling and confidence. So now let's put everything together slowly. Imagine you meet someone new. You can start small, short sentences, friendly smile.
Okay, I'm ready.
First, you can say, Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from the UK.
Then I say, Hi, Anna, I'm Alex. I'm from the US.
Perfect. And then maybe add your work or study. Very simple. I'm a teacher or I'm learning English.
I can say, I'm learning English. Short and honest.
Yes, that's exactly right. People like honesty. And then you can ask a small question. What's your name? Or, and you?
Oh, that keeps the talk moving.
Exactly. And after that, sometimes people like to share hobbies or what they enjoy. One sentence, very small.
Like, I like football or I like reading.
Yes, perfect. Let's make a small practice together, step by step, slowly.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from the UK. I'm a teacher. I like reading. What's your name?
Hi, Anna. I'm Alex. I'm from the US. I'm learning English. I like football. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
That sounds very natural.
Yes, and you can add a polite question after that, like, how are you?
Oh, so I can say, how are you?
Yes, and the answer can be very simple. I'm good, or I'm fine.
Then we can ask back, and you?
Perfect. That makes the conversation gentle and friendly.
I feel more confident now.
And that's the most important thing. Confidence grows slowly, one sentence at a time.
You know, I think beginners sometimes worry about mistakes, but I feel mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. Real people don't care. They care about your smile, your voice, your effort.
So slow sentences, friendly smile, short words, that's enough.
Exactly. And gentle repetition helps. You can practice the same sentences many times. Each time you feel more comfortable.
You know, I like the idea of small steps. Each sentence is like a small win.
Yes, small wins build big confidence. And learning English is fun when you enjoy it.
Let's recap all together slowly, step by step.
Sure. First, greeting. Hi or hello.
Then your name. I'm Anna, or my name is Anna.
Next, your country. I'm from the UK.
Then work or study. I'm a teacher, or I'm learning English.
After that, hobbies. I like reading or I like football.
Polite phrase, nice to meet you.
And question words to continue. What's your name? How are you? And you?
Wow, all simple, all small sentences.
Yes. And the key, speak slowly, smile, and feel proud of each step.
I want to ask our viewers something. When you practice this, which part will you try first? Names, country, or hobbies?
That's a great question. Take one part today. Don't rush. Tomorrow, practice the next part, step by step.
And remember, mistakes are okay. Slow and calm is better than fast and worried.
Yes. And one last thing. Enjoy the conversation. Smile, feel confident, speak like you are talking to a friend.
I like that. Makes English easy.
So now you have all the tools to introduce yourself in English. Short sentences, friendly tone, small questions, polite phrases, and a little about yourself.
Thank you, Anna. I feel ready to talk to anyone now.
And you can too, everyone. Practice slowly, smile, repeat, be brave.
Yes, and don't forget, English is for communication, not perfection.
Exactly. Speak, enjoy, and feel proud of each step.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, friends, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Keep practicing, be confident, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling and keep speaking English.
Bye. And remember, every small step is progress.